Hi friends, this is Lokesh. Welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. And today we are going to discussing about system testing in manual testing. Basically, system testing is a level of software testing that is performed on complete and final integrated application to evaluate the system completions with its specified requirements. Like specified requirements means what exactly before starting we are getting a requirement document, right? Based upon that and final integrated application like unit testing, a developer doing a piece of code, whether it is working as expected or not. Then integration testing, the modules after integrated each module, like after completion of the each module for integration, then we are going to integrated all modules, right? Individual module we are tested, but after integrated all the modules, whether it is working or not, we are going to test integration. Once it is done, whether that specific requirement, like what exactly the client he want application, that we are going to test here. It is proposed to evaluate the end-to-end system specification. Hence, it is also known as the end-to-end testing. System testing also we can able to call end-to-end testing because we are going to evaluate all things which exactly the specifications, like what exactly that user expecting. Those things we can able to test here. It is to prevent application crashes and failures during the implementation of a production environment when we are going to deployment time, right? Sometimes maybe application crashes also it happens, some failures also it will done. Those time also we can able to evaluate. It is verifies the completed system to ensure that the system work as intended or not. As per the as per requirement, whether it is completely working or not, those things we are going to test here. For practical example purpose, we can able to see like mobile and one sim card. This is basic requirement. We need one mobile and sim card, right? Both are individual, and each thing they are going to test their own way whether it is working as expected or not. Mobile is tested and sim also tested, both are working. But when they integrated, means mobile and sim, they are going to integrate. Both are different places manufacture. Mobile is Sony and sim is Vodafone is presented as Airtel one. Both are different companies. They are going to integrated both, like sim they are going to put into mobile, and they are going to test or calling to the other person. The future we are going to test which exactly inserting. After inserting, we are going to a feature inserting the sim card, allowing you to perform a system testing or not. Means both are different manufacturings and we are going to buy, and we are inserted to individual module, and we are going to integrated the sim we are going to put into a mobile. After putting a sim card into mobile, we are going to test a calling feature whether it is working as expected or not using a system testing. When system testing is performed, done after completion of integration testing, before acceptance testing time, we are going to do it this system testing. System testing process also like test environment setup we are going to do, like what are the process, various projects, right? Means each project they are going to their separate process, but company to company also it will max to max changes, but this is a constant one. Like we are going to set up environment, setting up the separation environment for system testing, better quality purpose, and test plan creation. We need to create one test plan for all what all the needed is we need to test purpose. Test case creation, what we are exactly we are going to test. And when we started a test case creation, that time we need some data creation, what exactly we want. Like if you are using a login button, you need to verify, then username and password is required. Those things we are keeping a test data, and we are what exactly we created test cases, right? That we are going to execution. Fifth one, and reporting, defect reporting, like when we started execution application, that time we are going to find a defects or bugs, that we are going to create one template and we need to pass it. Retesting, once we defect we are sending to the developer is fixes, then it is come back to the tester to that one, then we are can able to do it retesting or regression testing. But don't think like after defect fixing we are going to regression. But in case if we are raising a defect, if it is coming to tester, we are going to do retesting. Okay, but we can able to do the parallel way a regression test also, because after deployment we need to test before and after time we are going to test. This one I will explain the later videos. Retesting and regression testing also I will explain the later videos clearly. And sign off, once we there is no defect and we are not finding anything, then we can able to give sign off here. The project is complete time, like it's we can able to move user acceptance criteria time, we can able to send it. Pay requires like ensuring whether the unit testing is done or not, ensuring whether integration testing is done or not. Software should be completely and fully developed, means once it is completed fully, like as per the requirement is completed thoroughly, then only we can able to start. Ensuring that test environment is ready and it is should be close enough to production environment. These are the things pre-requirements are presented. What all the types are presented here is, there are so many things, but here we can I can able to show you a few things. More than that also presented, but a few main importance. Here is regression and sanity, visibility, retesting, load testing, performance testing, maintenance testing, recoverability and migrating and functionality, hardware and software testing, smoke testing, as security, accomplish installation and interpretable and scalability, reliability and documentation. These are the things we are going to test in system testing time. That's all about this video. If you like this video, please like my video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.